share my screen. Okay. Let me share my screen. So I got the new environment, which I'll be sharing it in the community after the session today. Let me log in. So we were talking about this configuration in the system, enterprise setup, how to define. So here few things we discussed already. So let me go to setup and maintenance. Okay, where we have to come setup and maintenance. Okay, and then team, even this setup and maintenance screen also upgraded to Redwood. So if you see the screen like this, you can able to search your setups from here team. You can keep your offering here, workforce deployment. Okay. And then you can search here your setup, manage enterprise HCM information, manage enterprise HCM information. So you can search and you can able to find the task from here as well. So here you will select that one, and then you will be getting the task coming up in the list here. You can click on that task, manage enterprise HCM information. Okay. So let me go to the screen. Still the page is loading. Okay. So once we come to the setup, what we have to do? We have to click on these three dots and we have to click on correct record, so that the entire screen will become editable, right? So by default, the dummy name coming because a new environment I received today. So Tata Group Enterprise I am giving. So this basic detail section we completed. Workday information we have seen, and enterprise information we have completed yesterday. Person number, worker number, employment model, duplication check, then currency support, user and role provisioning. Till here we completed in our yesterday session team. So global payroll element information to archive and US balance definition, I told you, we will talk them when we come to the payroll module, right? Now next we have position synchronization. We have to continue our topic from here onwards. Position synchronization configuration. This is also one of the important feature or the functionality we have in the system team. Definite interview question to be noted. 5-star market question. What is position synchronization? How we will enable the position synchronization in the Fusion system? You will get the questions like this. First of all, understand what is position synchronization in the Fusion system. Positions, we have one concept which is part of our workforce structure. These 5 concepts I told you, we call them as workforce structure. Positions, we have team. Positions are nothing but similar to jobs only, the designations or the titles that which we will be assigning to the employees whenever hiring. So we have concept of positions. When we come to this manage positions, we will be configuring them. What are the different types of positions that our client using in their company to assign to the employees whenever hiring? We will be defining here team. So whenever we configuring positions in the system, we will be capturing all these details at the position level team. See, whatever the options you are seeing here, job, grade, full-time, part-time, FTE, okay, then location, probation period, regular or temporary, start time, end time, department, grade ladder, assignment category. These all are the attributes or the fields, fields, attributes or the fields that which we capture while we configuring the position in the system. I'll show you team. Let me go to new window. I will go to positions configuration screen and I will show you once. So in order to define positions in the system, this is the task name, manage positions. So let me come to setup and maintenance. Let me come to setup and maintenance. Then let us keep our offering here. Deployment is there anyhow selected. Let me search with our positions team. See, this is now in the Redwood UI, our setup and maintenance also. Okay, sometimes you will see classic, that is also fine. Anything that you can use that team. So manage positions if you go. Whenever we configuring the positions in the system, see now, this is the task name you will see. Where is that? Manage positions here. So if you click on this task name team, manage positions, you will land upon creating the positions in the system here. Click on create. Click on create. So when we defining positions in the system, so here I will give team something like a sales manager, some designation I'm creating here as of now. So here system asking me in which business unit you are creating this position. Some existing BU I will give team. Okay, some random data I'm giving here. Click on next button. So whenever we configuring the positions in the system will ask us in which department I am creating that position, in which job, in which location, who is the manager, assignment category, full-time or part-time, regular or temporary, FTE, C team, probation period. These all details, see, while we configuring positions in the system in the back end, these all we are capturing. These all are the fields, right? These are all the fields. Job, grade, full-time, part-time, FTE, probation, location, regular or temporary, grade ladder, department. These all details while we configuring the position in the system we are capturing. Now these details only whenever we hiring the employees in the front end. For example, we completed our core HR module configurations. We handed over the system to the client. Now they are using in their day-to-day HR activities. Today HR want to hire an employee. So whenever HR come to my client group, new person, and whenever HR hiring the new employee in the system, see what happens here. See what happens here. Whenever HR hiring an employee, in the first two tabs, employee personal details we will capture. Here, employment info, employee work relationship, assignment we will capture team. So let me give some random legal employer here. Okay, some details, just mandatory fields I'm filling so far. Okay, mandatory fields I'm filling so far. Whenever HR hiring the employee, when HR comes to the third tab, employment info tab, I'm hiring Suresh in this legal employer, work relationship is employee type. Under that assignment we have. So we will choose business unit in that legal employer in which we are hiring. Okay. So I will choose one of the existing BU in this environment as of now. Now see team. At the employee assignment level, we will capture these details only. In this legal employer, in this business unit, in which position. Here system asking, see team. So whatever positions we configured team, that all positions will come in the drop down to us. Then system will ask us in which job, in which grade, in which department, in which location, assignment category, regular or temporary, full-time or part-time. See, these details already I captured at the position level when we configuring the position. Again, why HR should capture one by one each field to the employee when hiring? Oracle given a concept called a position sync concept. The word synchronization, sync, the English meaning of sync means what team? Somewhere from above level, the data getting copied. See, when you purchase a new mobile today, what you will do as soon as you come to home, you will register with your email account into the mobile. The moment you register with your email account, what happens, team? All your contacts, photos, videos, everything will synchronize from your Google Drive to your mobile. Even if it is iPhone means you will be registering with your iCloud account. All your contacts, photos, everything will synchronize into your mobile. So from drive, from the cloud, into your phone, the data is getting copied. Similarly, position synchronization means whenever we configuring position, already we are capturing all these details at the position level. So whenever HRs in the front end hiring the employee, the moment they choose the position here, now see what happens. Live experience I will give to you. Now all these are empty fields, right? Now the moment I choose a position here, so whatever sales manager we creating, once we define, that will show up in the list here. Some existing positions already available in this demo environment. I'm using team. Something team leader, service desk, something is there. Now the moment I select position, see the job field, see the grade field, see the department field. Now all they are empty, right? Now see, hurry, the moment I given position, job came automatically, grade came automatically, department came, location came, assignment category, regular, every field's in copied here. See, this will save a lot of time for the HR people in the real time whenever they're hiring the employees. Rather than going to one by one field, clicking the drop down, searching and giving the details to the employee. Position level, if you enable synchronization, because anyhow, when we configuring position, we are capturing all these details at the position level. So the moment we give position, the details will synchronize accordingly. This is called as position synchronization in the system. This is called as position synchronization in the system team. This is what practicality. For this to happen at the enterprise level, we have to enable that feature. Enable position synchronization. The two, what attributes you want to synchronize. Job, grade, full-time, part-time, FTE, or any flex fields means custom fields. If you create that, then manager details, location, whatever you checkbox team, only those will get synchronized, not everything. Whatever you checkbox, only those will get synchronized team. You have the option to customize. My client telling Kumar, I don't want all details to be synchronizing from position. So these all are the attributes or the fields. While we configuring the position, we can see whatever the fields you checkbox here team, only those fields only will get copied at the position at the assignment level team. Remaining attributes will not. So that is called as position synchronization in the Fusion system. So whether your client want this feature or not, it's their requirement. But 99% of the clients will definitely ask for this position synchronization to enable so that we can control from the enterprise level. We have next level also. When we defining legal entities also, system will give us the provision to customize them. But what is that feature? I will tell you when we come here. But at the enterprise level, generally we have this concept of position synchronization. Make a note of it. Definite interview question you can expect. 5-star market question this is team. Next,